Alright, we wanted some just warning flashers for the rear window of this Tahoe emergency vehicle. And this set of strobe lights comes tethered together, and this will go real easily across without a lot of extra cable. They're really nice suction cup mounts that let you either go straight or at an angle. You can actually set this up lots of different ways, but this works perfect in the back of this large size emergency vehicle. And then the power cord comes down the other side, and down here you can toggle on and off, and then you can toggle through the different patterns, either with just yellow, yellow and white, or just white, and then a couple of different patterns. Really nice setup, real easy to use, and fits really good in the back of the vehicle. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.